Today we'll review Rep.ai, share its key features, pricing, and alternatives. Rep.ai is built to increase conversions from your website visitors. It does that with a few sneaky tricks by listening and kinda stalking everyone and anyone who visits your website. And all the information Rep.ai gathers about your website visitors helps you close them. That's because Rep.ai has 3 ways it captures and nurtures leads. First way, and I'll explain them all in depth in a bit, is an AI live chat. This is like having FaceTime on your website. It's just that your visitors are talking to a robot, not you. Second tool is AI intent. This tool weighs every visitor and categorizes them based on buying intent. If the visitor fits your ideal customer's profile and has visited the pricing page, they're hot. If the visitor is your grandma admiring the website you built, well, maybe she has some buying intent, but not that much. And third tool is a smart AI dialer, basically cold calling robot. Now, before we move on to pricing and alternatives, let me explain each tool a little bit more in depth. The most unique tool is the AI live chat. Like I said, it's like FaceTime for your website. Live chat is just like any other support chat you see on most of the websites today. Only difference is that it's a voice and camera chat. Well, you don't need to use your camera, but you communicate with a robot as if it was a person. You talk to it, ask it questions, and it responds. It's pretty basic stuff. And the best part is you can demo that tool on the Rep.ai website yourself. Of course, there are 2 things that make this live chat better than a regular AI chatbot. First is that it's a lot more engaging. I find it a little bit unsettling seeing this dude staring at me while I visit the website, but for most people, having this type of interaction is, well, better than the boring AI chatbots. And the second thing is that this AI bot is trained on your company data. That helps the bot do 2 things. First, answer all the questions, of course, and second, qualify every visitor before handing it over to a real sales rep. Yeah, the bot will evaluate the buying intent of the user, and if they meet the requirements, your real-life SDR gets notified to take over. Essentially, it saves time for your team by eliminating the need to talk to users who will never buy your product. Second tool is the AI intent. What it does is it spies on your website visitors and identifies them. For example, if I visit your website, it will say Simon from Salesforge visited. Now, if you visit my website, it will say the best subscriber of Salesforge YouTube channel visited my website. And once the AI identifies the visitors, it can score them based on few things. First, the AI looks at the visitors' engagement with the website. What are they looking at? How long do they chill on the site? And the next thing it does is researches the visitor. It finds their company name, sector, role, everything that could determine whether or not they're a hot lead or a cold lead. Hot leads are pushed to your CRM, where you can start outreaching to them, and cold leads are just stored. And all of this happens in the background without you needing to do anything. That's because you can automate email outreach or use the third tool by Rep.ai, the AI dialer. AI dialer is just a cold calling bot. You heard of them, you've seen demos, nothing is new. But this one has a few interesting features. First, the AI dialer will skip any bad numbers, suspicious or duplicate leads that the bot has called in the past. If the bot detects a pre-recorded voicemail, the call is immediately stopped. And the best part is that each call conducted is transcribed and summarized, making it a lot easier for the real SDRs in your team to take over. Everything sounds amazing, but I'm about to disturb your excitement with the pricing plans. Rep.ai starts at $2,000 per month for the AI live chat, $500 per month for the AI dialer, and $250 per month for the AI intent tool. And that's okay, all things cost money. What most people will not like is that the Rep.ai only has annual plans, and it may be difficult for people to commit to such tools for a year. But you could save a ton and use tools like Captivate to conduct live chats yourself. You can use free tools like Vector.co to identify your website visitors. You could do this for a lot cheaper. You just need to find the right tools. And for that, I suggest you take a peep at this video I published last week, where I share more than 100 tools you never heard about that you could use to blow up your business. Subscribe and let me know if you want any other tool to be reviewed. Peace!